Hello guys, welcome back to another vid. Today, we will be unboxing two figures. I bought them online for like 1k plus PhD, and both are authentic. I waited like 3 to 2 weeks for these to come. LOL, it was worth it. Anyway, listen and watch me open this thing. Haha, I'm so excited. Oop, the box is dented. It must be hard to ship really far away. This one's not overseas. Anyway, this figure is called the Hatsune Miku Bitter Pastier Figure. That's how you spell it. Even though people say this figure is kinda weird, I think this figure is very pretty. Okay, let's open it. Oh freak, I didn't see that coming. Anyway, let's just bring Miku into the view and look at the stand. Oh wow, it's very plain looking. Okay, now let's get Miku out of this dumb plastic. OW, wait, she's missing her arm. There it is. Looks like she's holding a whisk. Okay, now put it on. Nicey. Okay, now put her pigtails on. Wow, she looks so nice. Spin, spin, spin. Spin, spin, spin. Miku spins because I force her to. Yeah, you go back at looking at us. Okay, Ima, put her on the stand. Better Miku spin. Hey, why are you facing that way, you dumb Miku? Ahaha, so cute. On to the next figure. Okay, we unboxing the second figure now, but it's not like I want to or anything. BTW, if you're wondering why there's a dancing alien dog on your screen, it's BC's I forgot to not put the address thing in the vid. And BTW, I forgot to tell y'all, but the two figures didn't come on the same day. Actually, this one came 2 days after the other one. Holy moly, this figure looks so cute, HHH. Anyway, this figure is called the Hatsune Miku X Love and Berry figure. I remember I saw this fig in that one Decora Girls Shorts vid. Anyway, that wasn't really why I bought this fig, it's because I like Miku's design, haha, and it was just mixed in with case figs on Shopee. Anyway, you can see me opening this cute fig in the background. Okay, let's see her. Wow, she's so cute. Okay, let's get her out of the packaging so we can see her. Ooh, look at her. KK, let's get her out of the stupid plastic. Agabita, she's so pretty. Okay, we will now look at the base. OW, it's pretty small actually, and I like the pink color. It suits her. Okay guys, the video will be cut off. 3, 2, 1. The video got cut off cause my tablet was low battery. Anyway, let's just get to the review. Sorry if it's crappy cause the room that I was recording in the next video had a broken light, so I had to use a flashlight while holding my tablet. Okay, here is both of them together. Okay, let's look at the Berry Miku first. I think she looks very cute and her shirt with the rainbow on it is a really nice addition to the figure. Spin a spin spin. Her hair is really soft, haha. I like that. And the stars on her pants are really cute too. Next is Baker Miku. I really like her outfit, haha. It really looks like she's working at a bakery. Spin a spin spin. Also I'd why, but why is there an M&M on her dress? Also I'd why, but this Miku looks so much taller than the other one. Like, look at this height difference.
Okay, bye bye my little ponies. That's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed.